What is up, guys? Today I'm going to install the Two Brothers DB Killer on my 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S. It's a little bit too loud, so I'm going to try this out and see how I like it. We'll do a little preview with it on. See how that goes. As you can see, nice and loud. So let's get started. It's going to be a pretty simple and straightforward install. You're really just going to need a torque bit. It is a T20 torque bit. And you're going to start off by removing all 4 of the end cap screws. And voila. Now I'm going to put that off to the side. All 4 of those screws off to the side. Now what you want to do is this screw here and a screw on the other side. You want to take those out to remove that cone. Alright, so you can leave that tip off to the side. You're going to grab your new one, and you're pretty much going to install it the exact same way. Line up those screws, and it fits right in like a glove. So with the 3mm Allen key, I'm going to go ahead and tighten those up. And then you're just going to put the cone back on it, line up the 4 screw holes, and put those back on using your T20 torque bit. And there you guys have it. That's all set now. Let's try it out, see if it's fighting. Definitely a lot more tolerable.